Mugithi wa Safaricom Sambaza Furaha wamukiritwo na ndohio nene giciwa-ini mwena wa Pirates Beach na Mangina kuria mugithi ukurikagiriria na ikari amwe no kwamukira iheo mama riri tworotete mabura ma thigũkũ ya Christmas.
Safaricom Sambaza Furaha caravan has been an incredible journey since we began over 35 days ago in Narok. Really excited for our customers. They've been able to engage with us. We've touched over 300,000 customers on ground, and together with the RMS platforms, we've reached over 25 million customers countrywide.
Nimefurahia sana siku ya leo kwa sababu ilikuwa tu ka chance kiasi nikaenda kuparticipate, but mzuri nikajishindia. Mbuzi nitaichinja krisi. Unga chapo pia niko nayo hapa. Ni chapo na nyama. Nimo-invite nyi wote.
Kuona Safaricom ni ihotete gukinyira mamirioni ma andu icigo itiganite guothe bururi-ini kuma mugithi wambiriria mweri muhetuku, kambuni ya Safaricom manyitanire na kambuni ya Royal Media ni mahotete kuhe Akenya mweke wa mwanya gucemania na amemerika a Radio Citizen na Bahari FM mugithi-ini uyu na ceceni ingi rungu rwa Royal Media Services kuma riria wambiririe.
I believe that Royal Media Services, with the greatest past partnership with Safaricom, I really believe that we have not only marched, but we have surpassed the goal that we intended to initially. And I'd say that's quite a great partnership because of we come from a point of mobilization. We come from a point of we are loved all over the country. And we were talking about the reach.
Hamwe na aikari kwamukira mathomo ma motungata ma Safaricom, matuka ma Safaricom ni mahingũrĩtwo guothe bũrũri-inĩ nĩguo kũgacĩrithia motungata maya. Muthenya wa umuthi, duka cia Safaricom ni ihingũrirwo mwena wa ndege kaunti-inĩ ya Kilifi.
Managed to open about 100 shops across the various regions, about 25 shops per region. But in overall, so far up to date, Safaricom has opened over 600 franchise shops. That is within our mission of making sure that, we are bringing services close to our customers.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njĩtagwo Irimũ wa Njogu.